What's up, everybody? Long time no see. I haven't been making videos in quite a while, which I'm sure all of you subscribers know that by now. But we're making some progress here at my lovely rehab house. It's a beautiful thing. Let me show you some of the things that we've been working on in regards to updates. Check it out. Here we are in the basement in Michigan, or in the Northeast and Midwest. We have basements like this. I know down south you can't do basements like this just due to the fact of the soil being so rocky and hard to dig up. Here we got sand most of the time in good old Michigan. So this house was built in 1930, and you can see it's cinder block foundation. Problem is we were getting leaks here. I'm not going to just point out the leaks, but we were getting leaks from all corners of the basement. Problem is we were standing in about, let's say, 2 to 3 inches of water. And if I'm trying to rent this out, that's going to be a problem, because if I was a tenant of this house, I wouldn't be staying here any longer if I go down to a basement that's flooded. So one of the things that I had to do in this basement is pay a company to come in and dig all the way around the perimeter of this basement. You can see it all the way around, and retile it. So they put a drain tile all the way around the basement, or the perimeter of the basement. So they had to cut up all the cement pad, and this drain tile is leading over to this wonderful sup pump, high efficiency sup pump. But you can see it's all the way around the ridge of the whole perimeter. Goes in this sup pump, and then it discharges out to the backyard. This little snafu, or unknown issue, cost me about $8,500. Did I want to spend it? No, but I wanted to tackle issues head on and do what's right, which I think that long term is going to help. I'm not sure if any of you have experience with basement leaks like that, or tiling jobs. It has a lifetime warranty on it, which is good. The only issue that I could see is maybe if you do get heavy rains, your sup pump's running, which could increase your electrical bill, or wear and tear on the motor or a sup pump. But long term, you're not gonna have a flooded basement. So I'm gonna go out in the backyard. So I'm out in the backyard, and there's a guy in a hazmat suit that had to crawl underneath here. Then they didn't realize there was a cement pad underneath this deck of mine back here. So they had to drill underneath it and run the sump pump lines in the ground all the way out here into the yard. So you see this. This is like a live well. So it's a tank, a storage tank in the ground that's gonna hold a majority of the water, so it doesn't flood this lovely backyard of weeds. Look at this, it's like a forest of weeds growing back here. But that's where it's going. So that is finally done. Now I gotta pay them the rest of their money, which is lovely, but I'm okay with that. So Monday's the inspection for the plumbing. And then Wednesday is the inspection for the building part of it. So hopefully those all pass, and we can continue our voyage. So any of you that's watched any of my other videos, this is a room that we turned into a master that was leaking from the roof that we had to completely gut out. It's all painted, all new electric. I love it. They still have to put in the ceiling fans and the can lights, but other than that, everything is done besides flooring and molding. Like it. This we added on, so this is the master bathroom. We put a shower in here, so this used to be a one bath house. So now it's a 2 bath house, 4 bedroom. So you can see we got some work here, but all the electric is ran in here along with the ceiling fan. Put this new shower and tub in, but look at this. Look at this. What the heck is that? Now I'm gonna tell you, this is kind of my fault because I'm like the general contractor here. So I hire plumbers and electricians and drywallers, and I gotta make sure they do the job right. This plumbing company didn't use any adhesive on the back of these walls, nor did they put any clamps in place or anything to put pressure against the adhesive. So that back wall is just free floating. And guess what? They gotta come here and fix it because they're not getting the rest of their money until they pull it out and do it right. But that's something that I gotta work on. Look at this. Fire alarms, wired fire alarms, new lights and accessories. Look at that. We have light action. Love it. Ooh. All painted rooms. Here's the stairs going up. I do have to fix these stairs still. But here we have the lights. Everything's painted, so we just need trim and floors. Bathroom upstairs, all painted. Just gotta finish the floors, trim, paint, and the shower. And as I'm sitting here filming this, I'm like, what the hell was I supposed to do? And now I remember, I was about to leave this place, but guess what? I have to move everything out of this room so we can paint this room. I would have just left. I don't even know. I knew I was coming here for a reason, and I remember I had to move all this stuff so we could paint. What the heck? So that's a wrap. I got it all moved for the excellent painter, Laura. Check it. You got room now. Look at that. No doors in your way, no fridge. You got a little shimmy room here. This room will be painted next, along with this built-in. We are on the pace to get this thing rented. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Thanks for following. Sorry I've been busy, not posting much videos, but I plan on posting more. It's just been crazy with kid sports, work, this house, a bunch of stuff. You get it. Everybody's busy. But again, thanks. But again, thanks for all of you that are watching and subscribe. I'll see you on the next video. See ya.